goodness, so much rain. So much rain. You ain't got to worry about not having water, which you do, but got plenty everywhere. You can see the pond, how it's flowing. Maddie, you want to go? Water. But Mama can watch you. Hope it's not in the shot. I want you to see my bridge. It's covered up. Boats are good. Oh my goodness, look how far it is back there. Oh my goodness, look at all this water. Charlie would have been swimming. Oh my goodness. Latches. She's busy eating, so be okay. Come on, Maddie. Oh my Lord, look at all of that. It's flooded across right there too, which means we'd have to build it up. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at all that water. Oh my goodness. So much for my little bridge. I flipped it over so it wouldn't catch leaves, but I'm gonna help that. I'll see if he can build it up for me. Crazy. Yeah, you know I gotta get in it. Don't splash me. I'm not trying to throw it to you, I'm just trying to get it out of the blockage. Crazy. Man, look at all this water, Chloe. And across my bridge, which didn't help. I had to build it up, I guess. Figure out a way. And this would have been awesome if I'd have had the trench made. Wow. All right, girls, I'm going back. A pooping puppy. Let me go look at that. I guess I could, but pretty strong current out there. Maybe I can swing it. All right, let's go look. I'm gonna go see how full the pond is. Wow, crazy. Still raining, sprinkling. Love to see the creek right now. No, not going down there. Wow. I ain't seen it this full in a long time. It's all the way back there. Most of my property is the pond now. Listen to that. It's a project if I could do it, but and then it splits and goes two ways around that brush pile that I do not like. All the way down there and on the other side too. I ain't got time for this. I gotta go to Grandma's. All right. See my little river. Crazy. a nut. Do you like all this water, Chloe? Are you going to go for a swim? Oh my goodness, come on with Mama, come on. We got to go check on Maddie. She can't cross. Look at her over there. Come on, girls. Come on. Come with Mama. Girls. Oh, poor May. She's stuck on the other side of the river. Poor May. I'll try to do the bridge. Hopefully I won't fall in. I can hear Ashley already. I don't do it. It'll be okay, Rich. It's okay, May. Mama's right here. Mama's right here, May. Oh, yeah, we got to do this. That'd be awesome. Come on. Come on, girls. Try not to holler. Whew. Like walking on a wet mattress. Glad I didn't go far. Forgot the gate was open. Come on. Girls. Come with Mama. Good girls. Good girls for a change. Okay. Come on. Let's go this way. Mama's gate's still open. She don't want to play. Come on. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Nope. Emma. All right. Got it.